Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the multi-cloud versus hybrid cloud and how hybrid cloud is nowadays taking something a good example in the market. I will explain you step by step approach. We have multiple multi clouds like we have Azure, we have AWS, we have GCP, how these are using, and but the hybrid cloud. So let's start this video with the understanding with the term. So in this today digital world, whatever idea we have, we want to launch it into the market. Okay, so for that we have to create some app, some applications, or to create or to launch an app we need an operating system. Like suppose we create a HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any app, we just need a type of operating system. So to run an operating system we need the compute units of the servers for it. That okay, now it's time up to us, like whether we pay the upfront amount for the computer unit, or we can use overhead cloud, like we can directly purchase laptops, or we can just pay for the cloud, like how much we need to use for this particular part. Okay, so moving ahead, there are a lots of cloud service providers such as AWS cloud, Azure cloud, GCP cloud, and these are all are the public clouds. These three are all are the public clouds we have. Okay, Azure, AWS, and GCP. This all. So Azure. Now let's talk about some things about the cloud. So Azure cloud is one of the this Azure Cloud is the second largest leading platforms, largest cloud provider. Okay, second largest, and AWS is first of all that's come is AWS. That is AWS. AWS is the leading provider for the cloud service, and it provides lots of service ranging from different use cases. Azure is the second largest provider of the cloud service. There might be chance that Azure will surpass the AWS cloud into the upcoming times. So both the clouds provide the almost same services, and both their names of the difference. Like in the AWS we have EC2 instance, like virtual machines. Okay, we have EC2 instance. Same if we talk about in the Azure, we have virtual machines. Same thing, and we have named as a virtual machines. Okay, this is the major difference between them. This is the EC2, this is virtual machines. Okay, now if now which cloud to use completely depends on us on the particular use cases. Now let me just give you an example where we use just this certain cloud. Example, the use case is suppose we have applications and written into the .NET framework. Okay, we have some applications that is written into the .NET framework. Now we have to run the application, we need a Windows server. Now both AWS and Azure provides the Windows server, but the difference is the pricing of that particular server. Sometimes this might price a lot for us, sometimes this might price a lot, but for the Windows server the AWS pricings are higher than the Azure cloud, but it's supposed into the Linux server. In the Linux, AWS is quite lesser than the Azure part. So there's a like the main difference comes into the pricing part. Okay, this is the one of the example, and if I talk about my another example, like suppose if you talk about the latency part, so we can choose any of the cloud which has high number of data centers in the region, which will help in providing the lower latency. Currently Azure has more data centers into the market, like something around 35 plus data centers Azure had. Let me quickly show you Azure data centers in India. Okay, these are the different data centers they have in Pune, they are in Hyderabad, they are in Chennai, they are in Mumbai. Uh, and let me quickly also show you the numbers. There are three data centers, and if we talk about availability zones, there are the multiple. There are the general three data centers uh, into the in this. Okay, India has 3 data centers over in the South India, West India, and Central India. Okay, they have also given the location Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, West India, and this is something about the things they have. Okay, so this is the like Microsoft has the biggest data centers, so that's why we generally used to go with this particular part. Now, if we talk about like multi-cloud strategies are using multiple clouds according to the requirement that result into the cost optimization parts. Our main goal is to generally to optimize the cost. Like suppose I understand the multiple servers of AWS and Azure are using architecture for the Netflix. Okay, so Netflix is an app need a service to run consists of multiple components like hard disks, RAM, CPUs. Now both the cloud service provide the manual EC2 and virtual machine as we discussed over here. Okay, so for the storage purpose, like we have a both cloud service and the name EBS, and we have in the another side we have Azure disk storage. So like this, we have multiple things which are running behind the scenes. So this was main thing about the multi-clouds and the hybrid cloud. We are going to talk more about what is the different services in the AWS clouds and into the Azure cloud. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are not clear any concept, you can ask me in the comment section. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.